She does have a child in the ICU at Children's Hospital Methodist. She will have to go.
That female owes.
Because,
What do you mean it's an assumption? Assumption of what?
because you said
Instead, you're holding the bag. You're holding the bag for a criminal case that you're going to be on probation for, and your life is no longer.
What you just watched? That is the sound of a life unraveling in real time. Carissa Ramos is standing before a judge, but her mind is miles away in an ICU hospital room where her child is fighting for life. You might feel for her until you realize why she's actually in this courtroom. This isn't just a tragic coincidence, it's a case of blind rage. Carissa found her husband with another woman, Miss Lopez, and instead of walking away, she chose violence. Now, the stories are shifting. Did she aggressively throw those keys or calmly hand them over? Why does the police report paint a picture of a woman out of control, while she claims she's the victim of an assumption? She's facing a year in jail, and if you want to understand courtroom psychology and how a single moment of fury can cost you everything, hit subscribe. Let's start from day one.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 009206, State versus Carissa Ramos.
Yes, go ahead. Nobody was handling it. Megan stepped out.
Oh, thank you. All right, could I have parties announced?
Joseph Stateson standing in for Monica Guerrero. She's in Del Rio Federal Court. And Ms. Ramos, will you give this judge permission for me to do this in place of Ms. Guerrero?
yes.
All right, counsel, had you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovering. Ms. Ramos, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, state, it appears that you're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? And counsel, you're waiving the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ramos, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported and denied naturalization. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault. Punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $1,000 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. This is running concurrent with 2025 CC 012720. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the, outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 200 hours of community service restitution hours, a CAP evaluation, no contact with the complainant, anger management, and parenting classes. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, plead on State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations of testimony with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? It's this document.
Yes,
Did you review that with your attorney?
I did.
Right, did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Okay. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Ramos is remorseful for what happened. Although the report says that she threw the keys, she actually handed it does say that in the report, she did hand it to the manager, the pilot at gas station. The keys were returned to the CW. She's eager to start probation. She's been on a GPS monitor for a significant length of time. And we ask that you follow the plea bargain agreement.
The judge made the call. Carissa Ramos walks away with a conviction and 2 years of probation. But here's the question. When loyalty is broken, who is truly responsible? Was the judge right to hold her accountable for holding the bag? Or was this a mother pushed too far by betrayal? Comment below, Team Judge or Team Carissa. If this case got you thinking, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves courtroom drama.